this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be, it has been a long time since I have done this, which is how to kill a kit with style. Sarah Scraps had started this, I don't know, oodles ago. It feels like years. It probably hasn't been like years, but I decided to join back in because I want to start killing some of the kits that I have. Not that I have a lot, but I want to start killing the kits. So what I'm going to do in the month of July here is going to be how to kill a kit with style and clean up and finish my photos. Now these are, I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 layouts. I got 4 layouts left over for my December daily for this year. So you guys know how I do this. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. What I do for my December dailies is that I scrapbook a year behind. So this is the year 2022. So these photos are left over from what I couldn't finish in December and January of 2020. Actually, wait a minute. These are 2020. Not 2021, so 2020. And what I do is that in December, January, I try to get as many as I possibly can done. So this is what I've got left. I have this many photos left, and then I would be done with that layout, and then I can, or that like book, and then I can start on my December daily in December, January for the 2021. Yeah, the 2021. Because we're in the year of 2022. So this collection that I'm going to use is what I'm going to, how to kill a kit with style. I have this collection left. I don't have that much papers or any of that sort of it. I purchased the kits, a lot of my December daily kits from the Hip Kit Club and Close to My Heart. So this collection is pretty not used. Like I've used a little bit of it, but not that much. So I've got puffy stickers. I've got the chipboard stickers. Like I said, I've used it a little bit, but the puffy stickers, the chipboard stickers. I have the wood veneer shapes. I've got all of the silvery enamel dots. I've got their puffy alpha stickers, which is silver. I have their clear postal stickers. I have their chipboard frames. So these tend to go hand in hand. They just do like one of each. So one is frames, the other one is like phrases and stuff, and I absolutely love it. I have been a big fan of theirs. You guys know that I do that. Now for their, see what I mean? I'll get that off after camera. But I can do this. So I wanted to kind of show you like what some of the embellishments I'm working with. So here is they're literally all of them. Because like I said, I barely used this collection. So I've got a pretty good selection to choose from for these layouts. And I think to make myself utilize it quickly and easily is I am going to find sketches that will follow what I am finishing up for my December daily so that it is done for the month of July. And so it's going to kind of be Christmas in July meets how to kill a kit with style. Because I want to be able to kill this or at least use up as much as I possibly can and only use this collection because I know in my heart I will be getting the same collection, or not the same collection, but the same company. I always get their stuff and I always purchase all of their stuff as much as possible. And the thing is that this particular one, I wasn't able to get the extra paper collection. All I got was the main kit and the embellishment kit because the paper kit sold out that quick. That is like insanity. And then there is the other embellishments So these are the two, minus that thing, but these are the embellishments that I will be working with. I don't know why that's on there. That's crazy. Obviously, I am going to add my blacks and whites to this, because you guys know that I definitely definitely use that. So this is Christmas Cheer. Then Festive Fun. And this kit is from 2021. So this was last year's December Daily. Or their December collection. Holly Jolly. Jingle Bells. I love these colors. Merry Everything. Pretty Metal. Sparkle Bright. Because the one thing, too, with these guys is that I do have another collection that I have that I'm pretty much sure that once I bring this down and I use up just exclusively this kit, I am about 100% sure that I could probably mix and mingle another set so that during Christmas this year I can kill off both of the collections at one shot. Twinkle Twinkle. Happy Holidays is the last page. I love this color, this peachy color that they picked. So that is what I am going to be doing for the month of July. So for the month of July, all of Fridays, so this is the July 1st actually ends up on a Friday. So this is the first video to how to kill a kit with style. So I am going to do every Friday minus Saturday. So you're going to get this kit and then a layout tomorrow on the 2nd of July for one of mine. And then the rest of the July will be these here. And hopefully I will see what is left over. And possibly then if I have an extra Friday that I have open, I will make my cover sheet for my next set of photos, which would be the December Daily 2021 collection, and going from there, because I never put a photo on that cover sheet. That always starts my album. So that is what I've got going. I hope that you guys are excited that I am bringing this back, because it's been a very long time since I have done any of this and shown and talked real time on a video. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and watch for the month of July on every Friday on how I'm going to kill this kit. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.